Hey guys, so today we are going to make a mandala tutorial and these are the materials that you will be needing. We'll start by making a rough diagram of how our mandala will be, giving us a brief idea of the number of circles and the space required. Now with the help of a rounder or a compass, we will make a few circles. Now with the help of a scale, we will make a few straight and diagonal lines. This will provide a symmetrical accuracy to our mandala. These lines in the mandala will help you to draw designs of equal sizes. As a beginner, you can always draw a few basic designs with a pencil initially. So in case of a mistake, you can always erase it. These are just a few basic mandala designs that you can use. You can use any basic shapes or you can even create your own unique designs for a mandala. The process of making a mandala is actually very meditative in nature. It makes you calmer from within. It leaves you more focused and concentrated. Once the draft of your mandala is ready with these basic shapes, you are all set to use a pen over it. It's time to fill these basic shapes and turn them into beautiful designs of your mandala. Here I am going to use a pen of a thinner nib for the intricate details. We are done filling the inner circles. Now it's time to fill the outer layers. The mandala still looks a bit incomplete, don't you think so? Let's add another layer of petals to beautify it. You can always go on adding things to a mandala. It is an endless circle. It is absolutely alright if your designs are a bit imperfect in the beginning. These final touches with a sketch pen enhance the looks of the mandala. It also becomes very easy to fill out spaces with a sketch pen instead of doing it with a pen. I really love how the sketch pen gives a bold effect to the mandala, almost like breathing life into it. Now you are all set to erase those pencil lines that you initially created. Let's add a few faded dots to give it a finished look. And yay! Here's a mandala! This is my co-partner's first mandala. And here's mine. Create your first mandala and tag us.